Hello YouTube, Kenny here. Today I am making a pretty silly video for my third anniversary of the Titan X Pascal being released. Well, I believe it was released yesterday, August 2nd. I would have next day aired it and received it the day after. So August 3rd. Awesome. So here we go. Oh, look who showed up to the party. Titan X Pascal. Wow. Look at your cake. I got you a cake. You like it? Blow out the candles. Oh, you did it. You did it. Oh, well done, Titan X Pascal. You get the first bite of this delicious carrot cake. Yeah, I bet that's delicious, isn't it? It's very good carrot cake. Wonderful frosting. I don't remember if I ever made a video about this, or at least published it, but this is the original unboxing footage of my Titan X Pascal from 3 years ago. Very excited that day to receive this in the mail. What a wonderful day that was. Yes. Honestly, I was really excited for this card. That is one sexy looking card. I wish the thermals out of the box were better. There she is, replacing my 980 Ti. Fastest single card I ever bought. Titan X Pascal 2016. Wow. This would be the first of the 3 cases it's been in.
Let me finish buttoning this up, I guess, and then I'll do some benchmarks.
And here it is. My first time I'm taking it apart, undressing it, getting it ready for its first water cooling endeavor. The EVGA hybrid kit. Custom made it to fit the Titan X Pascal. And decided thermals weren't good enough. So hey, let's buy a Bits Power water block. Let's make my first water cooling loop. There it is. Brand new, spanking new water block Bits Power. Fantastic. My first water cooling loop. And for my first water cooling loop, I decided to use some automotive grade blue coolant. I don't really know why I decided to do that. Probably just because I have pretty easy access to it working in the automotive world, and anti-corrosive and microbial properties of it make it kind of suited for this. And here's pretty much how it was up until very recently. And this is pretty much it's going to be its final form with the new Hydro X Corsair water block. The very sexy water block. I'm very happy with it. But yeah, I guess that pretty much wraps up this video. Happy anniversary, Titan X Pascal. And hit that like button if you like this video and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.